Good day, sir. I am Ryan James Inguaton from G2B. This is the video of my Admiralty Notices to Mariners, sir. Ano yan title, sir? Admiralty Notices to Mariners. Ang iyang weekly edition 20, sir. Then May 16, yung date is May 16, 2024. Then ang next, sir, kay iyang Admiralty chart affected by the population, sir. Iyang 20/24. Then sunod kay Admiralty charts niya, sir. Muna, sir. Tripod, sir. Muna sumpay, sir. Then muna yung international chart, sir. So makita ito, sir. Then sunod, sir, kay Admiralty publication niya, sir. Next, sir, is same ratio, sir. Muna yung kuan about niya sa yung info. Sunod, sir, ay yung kuan Admiralty charts and publication now published and available. New edition of Admiralty charts and publication, sir. Then sunod yung charts. Muna yung chart number, sir. 410. Then sunod yung kuan based in just yung kuan, sir, ngalan niya siya, sir. Then sunod yung yan na rin title, sir. Then yung skill, yung folio, sir. Then yung 2024 catalog page muna siya, sir. So kani siya, sir, same magyapon siya ganina, sir, about magyapon siya sa published and available new edition. Ang new edition of Admiralty published chart, sir. Yan chart magyapon, title lahi na pa diyan, title bago na pa siya, scale niya, sir. Yung folio 2024 catalog page niya, sir. The rates available in the Admiralty Registers chart services series na siya, sir. Ang sunod, ang last is magyapon Admiralty charts publication to be published. Admiralty charts published on May 30 ang yan date, sir. Itong ganina wala siya date nakabutang, sir. Yung edition of Admiralty charts niya, sir. Muna yung edition niya, sir. Yan chart number na, title niya, yung scale, charts to be withdrawn, sir. Then folio, 2024 catalog page, sir. Then mo ito sir. Thank you.